To draw a dragon head, we're going to start with the mouth. So come a bit over this way. I'm going to come back and then around and then down like that. Okay? And then we want to come and put this kind of piece around the back of it. And that's going to come and join in there. And then we want it just to come another one behind there like that. This will all make sense, don't you worry. Now we're going to draw the nose here, so we come forward. Okay, like that, and then a little bit there. That's like the nostril. Let's get the eye in here now. So I'm going to do this sort of S curve like that, and then we'll put a curve behind it. So this is a very angry kind of eyeball. And then just a little thing like that. Just don't quite close it up. That makes it just look a bit shiny. And then we want to go forward, back, and kind of make that a bit like a flame, really. But that's an eyebrow. And then we can draw the snout coming forwards like that. And that's the snout on the top. Should we put the teeth in? And a couple of teeth down there as well. And then we can put the tongue in. So we'll have the tongue sort of coming out like that. If it hits the tooth, stop and carry on behind the tooth like that. And I'm just going to put a little bit of shading into that tongue, which we probably don't need. But anyway, there we go. That's just me. Now, here we want to have a nice big ear. Like that. And we want a horn or whatever they are, I don't know. There's a whole kind of history to Chinese dragons, and I'm not going to say that I'm an expert at all. I haven't really much idea about the total history of dragons. Now, down here, we want to go forward and back. And we're going to do a lot of these all the way around, and then slightly curving to there. And then we want another one coming down there, like that. And I'm going to come up here and bring that in like that. So if we start up there, we know where we're trying to join up with down here. So we'll kind of join up like that. That's looking pretty good. And then we want to follow that neck around like that. And around there. And we can put a double kind of thing in there like that. And in there, and we can put a little bit of pattern in there, because a lot of it is about patterning. And we're going to do, we've kind of drawn it now, but we've got all the patterny bit to do, so I'll just zip through this. And then in here I'm going to draw this crisscross pattern, and as I'm coming around the curve, I'm slightly changing the angle. I'll be changing the angle here very gently as I go. So it'll twist around with the angle like that. And then we'll choose one angle to start with there and then carry on. So we're sort of wanting squares. And again here I'm going to be changing the angle a little bit as I go, so that we're kind of stretching as we come around the curve like that. In this part here I'm going to put some lines. This is a sort of adding pattern to the whole thing again, and in here too, and it's kind of going round the clock. So you're changing the angle as you're coming around it. And then here, these are meant to be kind of hairs. So I'm going to flick there and then flick each side, flick in the middle and flick each side. And that sort of splits it up into hairs. That takes a bit of practice. Don't rush it. And if you want to, turn the paper around if that makes it easier. So flick and then flick in between. And the same thing here, flick and flick in between. So this is meant to be a kind of a beard here. So flick, flick, in between, flick, and then in between. As I say, if it's easier, turn the paper around. And then I think we can add an extra bit of drama, just with some little bits of extra sort of shadow in there. So they act as shadow, but also a little bit of pattern as well, and a bit in there as well. And I think we can maybe do some over the top here. So this is kind of cross hatching that we're doing there. And then finally I think we might just do sort of something like that, just to add a bit of something in that area, and maybe also in the ears. So this is, I think I'm adding kind of western shading here, but that's just me. And also finally I think I'm just going to add some little bits coming out underneath here, and it all slowly builds the picture up. And I think that's something about drawing, is that, you know, you get halfway through and you think, oh, it's no good, it's no good, and you just have to keep going and put in all those little details, and then it all sort of comes together. And I'm just going to put some little dots in at the end of those as well. And I just want to put some little fur hairiness in the eyebrows too. All you need to do now is colour it in. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy, so you can come back and do lots more drawing. Bye.